Hey there campers, Carl from Pete's RV Center here, inviting you down to our South Burlington, Vermont location for our rolling into spring sale that we've got going on April 26th, 27th, and 28th. Make your way on down. We've got over 300 units on display, whether it's new, used. We've got pop-ups, motorhomes, travel trailers, fifth wheels, a little bit of something for everyone. And we've got some great promos going on. We've got rock bottom pricing on all 2019 models, liquidation pricing on all of our used, and wholesale and below on all of our overstock, so you're not going to want to miss out on this. Memorial Day is right around the corner and we can help you find and get into that new RV of your dreams by then. Some great promos going on. We've got either a free hitch or a 50-inch TV going to you if you purchase a new travel trailer. If you're looking at buying a new motorhome, we're going to give you a $500 gas card to help get you to your first campground, and that's something you're not going to want to miss out on. You've also got your chance to enjoy your first meal in your new RV, since we're going to be providing pizza for you on both Saturday and Sunday. So folks, come on down to Pete's RV Center in South Burlington, Vermont, April 26th, 27th, and 28th for our rolling into spring sale. You've also got your chance to win a $500 store gift card with our spin to win game, no purchase necessary. So everyone that shows up, they've got their chance to do that. We can't wait to see you here, folks, and happy camping.